can leave your hat on. Go on over there, turn on the light. No, all the lights. Come back here, stand on this chair. That's right. Bring
You don't never need help from nobody else. All you got to do now, express yourself. Whatever you do, do it good. Whatever you do, Lord, Lord, do it good. Oh yeah, it's not what you look like when you're doing what you're doing. It's what you're doing when you're doing what you look like you're doing. Express yourself. Express yourself. You're doing it on the moon, y'all. In the jungle too. Everybody on the floor now. Jumping like a kangaroo. So let the horn do the do they do, y'all. Some people have everything, and other people don't. But everything don't mean a thing.
632-4790.
Have you the area code?
Ain't no area code now. Ain't one area code DC. You ought to know that, and if you don't know that, you ain't got no business being no operator.
May I have your name, please?
My name is Willie Ray Paul Sam Robert Jones Dunlap.
Sir, are you saying D like a
Ain't no,
duck?
no. I said just plain old Dunlap. You see, I done all I could. Now I'm about to laugh. Oh, let me talk to my man.
Sir, I'm sorry, I can't hear you. The music is too loud. Can you call back, please?
I gotta have a little talk, with the peanut man, with the peanut man. I gotta have a little talk, with the peanut man, with the peanut man. I gotta have a little talk, with the peanut man, with the peanut man. Peanut, my life is in your hand. This ain't no time to play no games. A handshake and a grin might be goodwill. But a handshake and a grin don't pay my bills. I need money when you're broken, ain't money. I need a job. The cost of living and these taxes just too doggone high. Inflation and these prices about to drive my pockets wide. And me broke Jones say my style. I need a helping hand, and I need it bad. I'm having the worst time I ever had. Every time I make a dime, Uncle Sam says, "Give me back." Unemployment is too hard to bear. I know somebody ain't treating me fair. I need money when you're broken, ain't fun. The cost of living and these taxes just too doggone high. Inflation and these prices about to drive my pockets wide.
Operator.
Hey, you the same operator I had a few minutes ago. I was calling the president. That number is 632-4790. And that's the deal, man.
Okay, sir, hold on. Hello, the White House. May I help you?
All right, give me the president.
This is the president. May I help you?
Peanut, my man, what it is? Hey, man, this is Dunlap from Georgia. What it is on the hill? Hey, Peanut, like boom, man. Look at him. Hey, home, I call and talk a little business to you. Check it out. Wait a minute, man. Hey, you gonna send me a little something on this phone bill, ain't you? That's a thing. I can deal with it. Right on, right on.
The big stuff. Who do you think you are? Mr. Big Stuff. You're never gonna get my love. Now because you wear all those fancy clothes and have a big fine car. Oh yes you do now. Do you think I can afford to give you my love? You think you're higher than every star above, Mr. Big Stuff. Who do you think you are, Mr. Big Stuff? You're never gonna get my love. Now I know all the girls I've seen you with. I know you broke their hearts one after another now, bit by bit. You made them cry. Many poor girls cry. When they try to keep you happy, they just try to keep you satisfied. Mr. Big Stuff, tell me, who do you think you are, Mr. Big Stuff? You're never gonna get my love. I'd rather give my love to a poor guy that has a love that's true. Oh, yeah. Than to be fooled around and get hurt by you. 'Cause when I give my love, I want love in return. Oh, yeah. Now I know this is a lesson, Mr. Big Stuff, you haven't learned. Mr. Big Stuff, tell me, who do you think you are, Mr. Big Stuff? You're never gonna get my love, Mr. Big Stuff. You're never gonna break my heart, Mr. Big Stuff. You're never gonna make me cry, Mr. Big Stuff. Tell me, just who do you think you are, Mr. Big Stuff? You're never gonna get my love, Mr. Big Stuff.
Fellas! Yeah! A brand new funk. Tell us about it. Brand new funk. Yeah. All right. If you want to get down with a bud, this is the way you do it. Walk up and rap to it. Put your hand on the lower left arm. Come on now. You know. Yeah. And this is what you rap to. I mean, come on like you should. Come on with you. Come on. Yeah. Give me what you say. Give me your thing. What you say. Give me what you say. Give me my thing. What you say. Give me what you say. Give me my thing. What you say. Feels so good. What you say. Let's get it on. Say. Give me what you say. Make it stone to the funk. Give me my thing. What you say. Give me what you say. Give me my thing. What you say. Baby, got this. But I won't. Ow! Feels so good. Ow! Ow! Give me my thing. What you say? Give me what you say. Give me my thing. What you say? Give me what you say. Give me my thing. What you say? Baby, say just give me some more. What you say? Squeeze me. Say, hold me. Hold me. Make me. Make me scream. Make me feel. Give me what you say. I need you, baby. What you say? Need you now. What you say? I don't care. Say what mama don't lie. What you say? Give it to me. What you say? Anyhow. What you say? Give me what you say. Give me my thing. What you say? What you got? Say what I need. What you say? What you need. Say what I got. What you say? Well, make me feel. What you say? Body hot. What you say? Give me what you say. Give me my thing. What you say? Taking off my shirt. What you say? About to bite me to death. What you say? Give me what you say. Give me my thing. What you say? Give me what you say. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ow! What you say? Ow! Ah, baby. What you say? Baby. What you say? Give me my thing. Give me. Give me. Give me. Give me. Ow! Give me. What you say? Hey, baby. What you say? Ow! What you need is what I got. What you say? Keep it up, baby. Body hot. What you say? I wanna be satisfied. What you say? Well, you can get it. What you say? Keeping it all inside. Now give me. What you say? Give me my thing. What you say? Ow! Give me. What you say? I said, give me my thing. What you say? Ah, God. What you say? Give me my thing. What you say? Help me close. neighborhood. Ain't some bad and some are good. Even though life is hard, there is one in Singapore. He's a soul people. He's a soul people. He's a soul people. Worth more than gold. You can't buy soul of all the girls in the world. Nothing pretty than a soulful girl. She got soul in her walk. She got soul in her talk. He's a soul people. He's a soul people. He's a soul people. Worth more than gold. You can't buy soul. Oh, you can't buy soul. One, two, three, four. I want to talk about the people on 125th Street of New York now. I want to talk about the people in North Carolina now. I want to talk about the people in New Orleans. I want to talk about the people in South Carolina. I want to talk about the soul people in Disney now. I want to talk about the people in Tennessee now. I want to talk about the people in Mexico now. I want to talk about the people in Canada now. I want to talk about the people in Alabama now. I want to talk about the people in Macon, Georgia. I want to talk about the people in White California. Do your funky thing.
it, yo. It's funky reggae time. Hey, the funky time. Do the funky. Hey, the funky now. Do the reggae now. Do the reggae. Come on, play the reggae now. Do the reggae now. Play the reggae now. Funky reggae. Everybody, do it to me. Come on, do it. Do it to me now. Hey, the funky now. Do the reggae now. Come on. Come on. Do the reggae now. Funky reggae time. Do the reggae now. Good God. Hit me. Turn me. Any way you want to. It's alright. It's alright now. It's funky reggae now. Hey, funky now. Do the reggae. Do the funky now. Come on. Everybody do the reggae. This new dance is moving now. Hey, the funky now. Do the reggae now. Everybody now. Hit me. Hey, will knock you the whole rat off and sock you. Dooley, junkyard dogs. Dooley's junkyard dogs. The dogs, the junk and the mad, the mighty, mighty tough, the man that's bad. We're big, we're little, but yet we tell our point up.